In financial modeling functions, we'll take a look at nesting index and match. So here in the Excel spreadsheet, we have an expense item which is listed against each places or cities like Campbell, Melbourne, Sydney, Penta, Geelong, Brisbane, Turkey and Perth. Okay. So against all these cities, the expense items like staff expense, superannuation, compensation, staff costs, consumables, recruitment and travel are listed. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to find out what is it that a particular value which is given in F5, which is under Geelong staff costs. That value we have to find out using index and match. So how we actually do this is what we are trying to explain. So for doing that, what we do is in cell B12 we have Geelong, and in cell A13 we have staff costs. So that is what we have. And in the report page, what we have is we have a formula where we use index and match to find out the value. So what we do is first we'll give the array where we have to effect a search. So the array is in data sheet A1 between A1 and I9. In data sheet between A1 and I9, all these values are subjected to a search. All these values are subjected to an index and match. So entire value, out of which what we have to do is we have to find out the value in cell F5, which is 19,000. Now the particularity with the value in F5 is that it is under Geelong and it is a staff cost. So it's under Geelong and it's a staff cost. So first in index and match, what we do is we try to match the city from A1 till I9. We search for Geelong. Geelong is given in B12. So we search in this bit A1 till I9 the value Geelong, and then we try to match it with staff cost from values A1 till A9. So that is how we write the index and match formulae. So if you take a look at it, see, this is the range from A1 till I9 is the range. We first match A1 till A9 for data in A13. Data in A13 is staff cost. So we actually find where is the staff cost. Once we find staff cost, we again do a match of B12 between A1 till I1, which is from expense till I9, which is Geelong. So Geelong is there. Wherever it intersects is the value. So index and match gives that exact value, which happens to be 19,000. So that is how we actually use index and match to find out value from a table or a list of cells. The advantage of using this method is that even if the position of these values changes, so long as the criteria don't change, we will be able to pinpoint the value. So even if we add, let's say, a few cities between Geelong and Perth, it doesn't matter. It still would fetch the correct value. So that is the advantage with using index and match method of searching for a particular value. Hope you understood. Thank you.